First, I'd like to congratulate Karen, Jim, Tabrisha, and Ruth for their outstanding accomplishments during their time here at Cal Poly. I was fortunate enough to be on campus with Karen Miller. She was a women's tennis coach and then my athletic director. And I also remember Coach Sackett, who was coaching cross country when I was here as well. Ruth and Tabrisha, you're way younger than me. So, but congratulations to everybody. Being a teacher in an urban school district, I've seen many kids struggle to find their path in life. They didn't have the love, support, protection, attention, guidance, and discipline that I was fortunate to receive from my family. To everybody here, thank you so much for this unforgettable evening. I'm very proud and honored to be inducted into Cal Poly's Hall of Fame and to be included with this class of honorees. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. This is a true honor, and I'm very grateful for this award. I'm up here tonight because I've been so blessed and surrounded by so many wonderful people who supported me during my time at Cal Poly. Not only was I loved and supported by my family, friends, and fans when I lived here, but most of them cheered me on since I was that little toddler who stole my sister or brother's soccer ball and slept with it in my crib. I never had an insecure moment of not feeling supported by my family and friends throughout my entire playing career. My teammates made my time at Cal Poly so special. They also made my job as a forward so much easier than what it should have been. Their hard work, effort, and support are the reason why my name is tied to individual records and awards. I was truly blessed by my teammates. I'm so thankful to all the wonderful people I just mentioned, and all have somehow and in some way made me look like a better soccer player than what I really was. Congratulations to my fellow inductees. It's an honor being a part of your class.
I definitely know that my life would not be the same. It would not nearly measure to the level of confidence that I have within myself as an educator, as a parent, how I multitask and take care of the things I need to do, and enjoy it in a hot process. Here at Cal Poly, as we affectionately know as CPP, I started thinking about how can I categorize Cal Poly as CPP? And I thought about the C as everyone that I met on campus from my freshman year, from when I did my summer bridge program and everything else, they were caring. And you felt the love coming from their heart and their souls. You could see it in their eyes. The P for me stood for perseverance. Because no matter what your need was, they heard your need and they took care of it. They made you know, they let you know that your education was just as important to them, but likewise, your life, you as an individual.
It's a privilege for me to be part of this elite group of athletes that joined us and that were contributing before us. To think it would be possible that I'd be elected into the Hall of Fame with the people before me, coaches before me. The only reason that I'm here is because of you, the athletes. You did the work to get where you got. I can't spend the time to go through all these athletes that are here tonight, but the 1983 championship cross-country team was 7 people, and those 7 people have been together with us all the time, and they're here again tonight, all 7 of them strong. Thank you.
You saw our representation of student athletes and the quality. What a great group. And for all those former inductees of the Hall of Fame, thank you for giving of yourself to Cal Poly and our department through the years. We appreciated your support then and still do. And for all those who are being inducted tonight, congratulations. I take great pride in being inducted in your class. So thank you for 26 years at the ranch. It's a wonderful place, and gold, Broncos go.
Darryl Miller and Alan Folks were teammates in the 1970s while playing for the legendary coach John Scalinos. Miller was an All-American in 1979 and ended up playing for the California Angels. while Folks was a two-time All-American and set the single-season record for wins with 21 before playing in the big leagues with the San Francisco Giants. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for Daryl and Alan.
Ladies and gentlemen, there they are, your Cal Poly Pomona Hall of Fame members. Congratulations.
And so you all voted, and the winner of Homecoming King is Mr. Brian Crane, and the winner of Homecoming Queen is Miss Jessica Dorner. So if they can join us out here.
Winner number 11.